Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another TaxTron YouTube tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to download, install, and set up the TaxTron T1 Netfile version on the Mac software. So if you look at the screen right now, we are on taxtron.ca. Whichever web browser they would like to use for searching up this website, it is up to you to do that. Now, if you look over products and pricing, and then you go to the individual section, you will find that it is very similar to how downloading it for Windows works. If you haven't checked it out already, check out our YouTube video tutorial for the Windows version of the how to download and install the individual license for TaxTron. And the same rules go here. So if you're if you have a total income of under $31,000, you can just try it for free and download the software itself and file this software without any issues. However, if you have a total income of over $31,000, then you would have to purchase the license. So if you look over here, you can see the tax here. I'll click 2020. The quantity, I'll just keep it at 1, and then the $20. So we'll add to cart. Then, as you can see, the shopping cart just got updated. Then you can see the TaxTron individual license for Macintosh. There's one of them, price is $20, and all of that. And then the same thing with the other tutorial with Windows goes here as well. You just put in your credit card details and your email address in order to get the license number as well as the download link to download the software. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so once the download has finished, you can see that on the Safari application, there's the download section over here, and then you can see the TaxTron 20, the current year for TaxTron has been downloaded. So you can click on this, and then the setup is right here. So it says double click TaxTron setup to begin the installation. So we'll do that right now. And as you can see over here, it is installer, and we have the installation here. Click continue and continue, and then agree. And it is up to you to decide which folder path that you want to save it on your Mac machine. I will just keep it in the default path and just move on. Click continue. Then I'll say install. And just put in the password in case there's a security question here. All right, so once you've installed the application, you open it, this is what it will look like on the Mac version. If you'd like to activate the software, what you would have to do is go to transmission, and then there's an option to Netfile. And then it asks you this question. If you would like to do it, you can say yes, and I'm just going to say no for now. And then it says software needs to be activated before you can Netfile or print the return. So I'll say click OK. Then you can put in your name, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your email address. It says here until installation of TaxTron is not yet activated, you must activate your software before you can file any tax return with this product. You must be connected to the internet in order to activate so that TaxTron can communicate with our activation server.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos on our TaxTron channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to receive more videos. See you next time.